Okay, so the next step is to read the model, and I have done that now. And as you can see, the model here has a bone here. It goes from point 0 and up to the middle of the robot. And then the bones go here up to the head and down to each arm. And I have created the different bones with different names. I also have vertex groups, and they are difficult to see here, but you can see them in the weight paint mode. You can see that each part here affects a different part of the robot, and the bones are connected to each of these parts. And if I go now to object mode and I select the bone structure, and then I go to pose mode, I can pick one of the bones and I can turn the upper body like this, and I can pick in place here and rotate it here, and I can pick a place here and rotate that one, and I can pick the head and rotate that one. I can pick the anchor and rotate everything around it. But I'll just go back to the rest position now. This model I have saved, and as you can see, I haven't made any structures for the legs yet. So that's something that needs to be done, and also the model needs to be a bit more accurate for it to look really good. But I think we have something that we can play around with in my robot lab. So I'll just bring this model and just copy it again and put it into JMonkey, to the models. I'll just copy it here, and I do as I did before, convert it to a J3O. And it was complaining about some waiting, but we will redo that. The important thing now is that we can see it, and we add it in the scene composer, and now you can see the model here. We can go to the scene explorer, and here, as you can see, the armature here has a skeleton control, and here comes all the different bones. And I think that from my robot lab we should be able to use them to manipulate the robot. That's all for today.